and other person, he was sharing about, he was asking one question about number plate.
Okay.
He was able to identify the numbers,
letters.
the letters, but he was having a question. Probably Raj, right? You can ask a
Yes.
quick question. Yeah,
Yeah,
sir will
this
clarify.
is Salim. This is Salim. Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
yeah.
Yeah, if we see the ha is there, right, in Arabic letter ha.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the one. Yeah, that is the one. That symbol I can see in the number plate. In the English letter, it's J. It's
Yeah.
showing on the number plate.
I think you missed the point. Last
Explain
class I
about that.
explained the connection between the English letters and Arabic letters, especially about the number plates in Saudi Arabia. There is no connection between these two. They took, if you Google and write down the number plates in Saudi Arabia, you will get the table, the alphabetic English letters and Arabic letters. This is you cannot say that alif is A, ba is B. It's not like that. So how
But
they took,
most of the things are matched.
yeah, some of them
The
match, some of
B.
them not matched. So learning stage, I don't recommend to go compare this one. As you proceed, then you can find out, yes, this letter is perfectly matching, this letter is different. So how they took it, it's I'm not sure about it. So yeah, the letters in Arabic on number plate and the letters in English, you have to be careful about not in the same transliteration. It's not transliteration.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Okay. Let's start the class and we'll continue. And if there is any questions, I will take it.
Just one question, sir.
Yes.
So try to encourage people to speak in Arabic, like the way we wish, like good morning, sabah al khair. So how we say that good evening. So let's start. Please speak as much as possible in Arabic sometimes in the starting, and then maybe you can translate. So we can quickly grab it, actually. We can relate to the words we hear. How do we say, like when we just meet in the meeting starting, and how we continue?
The general greeting in the Saudi Arabia, in the Gulf countries, you might have seen in the public domain. Assalamu alaikum, leda assalamu alaikum. This is a general general greeting.
Yes.
Yeah. The meaning of this one is peace be upon you. Assalam yani peace. Alaikum be upon you. Alaikum is a plural. So even the opposite person is a single person. It is mentioned as a plural to honor him. Like sometimes we say in Telugu, Miru. And even the person is alone. Nivu is a single person. Miru also sometimes we indicate the single person to respect him. Similarly, alaikum is something with respect is saying the plural, even a single person. So if you are entering in a room, or you are entering in the elevator, or you are passing through, in any case, the person, this is a good habit of these people. You can see even the person known to him or not known to him. They say assalamu alaikum. That means it's a general greeting. They wish you peace be upon you. That's all. The return is, I think last class I mentioned, I'm not sure, the reverse way. Wa alaikum assalam. Wa is and. The starting letter wa is and. Alaikum upon you. Again, alaikum assalam. Salam is peace. The same words, here it is reverse. Assalamu alaikum. Assalam is the first word in the greeting, in the first initiation. In the reply, the assalam comes in the last. So this will take little bit time. I will give you, I think in the first class, I show you the text and explain. And there was a audio also. You listen to that one. Those who missed the first class, maybe you can see the video in the YouTube recording. You can see this. It's slowly we will go that one. We will go to that level. But my concentration is the foundation is, it must be very strong. You see, for a normal, for constructing a normal tent, just we need some nails and just a strike in the ground. That's enough for holding the tent. But if you want to build a multi-story building like Kingdom Tower, it need a deep foundation.
Yes.
Arabic course, what I am focusing is to give you a deep foundation so you can build multi-story building. So I am concentrating in my 1 hour to explain basically the root of this course, that is the alphabets. Then how to give the signs, or to give the sound to that alphabet in different with the different signs. So with this one, we move to the words. In the words, we get these regular words like marhaba is a welcome, or it's also a kind of greeting. Just now what you said is sabal khair. This is also another general greeting. It also works. It's not, we have to understand one habit of this Arab people, that is good morning means morning is only limited to the goodness is only limited to the morning. What the person is saying is good, you have to be good in the morning. What about the afternoon? What about the evening? What about the night? This is the timely it is changed. When the person meet again in the afternoon, good evening, or good night. But in Arabic, they make it generalized. Assalamu alaikum. It means peace be upon you. There's a time limit. There's no time limit on this one. There's no day and night. Similarly, Sabal Khair is usually in the morning. Sabal Khair. This is not. This is also one kind of Arab culture. In reply, Sabah Noor. Sabah Noor means bright morning or something like that. So let's continue our lesson. Then
Thank you.
we'll go to that words slowly.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Last class we learned up to 7 letters: alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, pa. These are the 7 letters we learned, and in these 7 letters, only ha is a heavy letter. The remaining 6 letters are light letters, and alif always alone. There will not. It does not have sign above it or below it. It's a single strike, and sometimes it comes in the diagonal also. Anyhow, it's a single line, maybe vertical, or sometimes comes as a diagonal. Ba, ta, tha. The shape is same. Only the difference is the position of the dot and number of dots. Jim, ha, pa. The shape is same. The dot changes the letter. If the dot is below, it is jim. Without dot, it is ha. Above dot, it is a ha. These are the 3 letters. Now, you have any doubt in these 7 letters, any question, please ask. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Let's start a recap, because some of, I think, still has to join. Let's spend 5-10 minutes to recap this one. I'll read 3 times, and I'll ask all of you to read again. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, ha. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, ha. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, ha. Yes. Yes, Anand.
Yeah, alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, ha.
Yeah. Here it is alif. There is no prolongation. No, you have to limit it. ALIF, not ALEEF. That's only little bit correction. The rest everything correct. Okay. Hamza.
ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء.
Very good. Shahid.
ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء.
Rupesh.
alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Excellent. Bala.
Alif, ba, sa, ta, jim, ha, kha.
Khalid.
No, alif ba. He told tha before.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
His voice was less in the initial, so I could not able to catch it. Can you please repeat again, Bala?
Yeah, alif, ba, sa, ta.
No. It is ta. 2 dots is ta. 3 dots
Ta,
is ta.
sa.
Hmm.
Okay.
Again,
Alif,
please.
alif, ba, sa, ta,
No.
jim, ha, kha.
No. Here you are getting confused. This one 2 dots is ta. If you know Telugu, it is a ta, tha, da, dha, the first letter of ta.
Okay.
Hmm.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Thank you. Yeah. Kiran.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Aziz.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Shahid done, I think. Naresh, you did?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
This one is Jim.
Jim, yes.
Yeah. Jim. Okay. Salim.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Shakil.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Srinivas Rao.
Yes, sir. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Kha.
Yeah, kha.
Okay. 232. Number written as 232.
Yeah. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. 236.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Excellent, brother. Nawaz. Alaikum salam.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Wasimuddin.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Yaqub Sahab.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Excellent. Abdul Hamid.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Yeah. Alif is the little bit you have to correct here. Alif.
Alif.
Yeah. Athar Hussain.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Karthik. Alaikum salam.
Ha, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Can you please repeat? Why is little bit I missed it to listen?
Alif, ba, ta, jim, ha.
No. This one is tha. Alif, ba, ta, tha.
Kha. Okay. Jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Abdul Alim.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Shall I repeat?
Alif,
No, it's okay.
Alif,
Fine.
ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Next is Rama Kumari Garu.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, Ha, Kha.
Very good, Amma. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Arshia. Azmatullah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Walaikum salam.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Ha.
Kha.
Very good. Damodara Gupta. Damodar. Okay.
Karim garu, Damodar garu first time join అయ్యారు ఇవాళ క్లాస్
ఓకే
లో.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్. మీ చాయిస్ అండి, మీరు ఒకవేళ కంఫర్టబుల్ అయితే పలకండి, లేకపోతే పర్లేదు. ఫైజుర్ రెహమాన్.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
अलैकुम सलाम.
अलिफ बा ता जीम हा खा
I missed to listen this letter.
सा.
Very good. Farooq. Farooq. Okay. Next, Harish Kumar.
Alif, ba, tha, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Harsha. Harsha. Okay. Kumari Vijay.
Sorry, I was trying to unmute. Okay.
Okay.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Ha.
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 Kha.
Very good. Kumari Vijay.
Alif, Bha, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Ka.
This one is the first letter ba. It is not bha. Second letter is bha. So we have to say first letter ba.
Ba. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bha.
No, not bha. It is ba.
Ba.
Yeah.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Ka.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. You will get 3 stars today. Okay. Lakshmi.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Amma.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
This one little bit correction is there. It is not zim. It is jim. When you say jim, J-I-M, jim, the same way J-E-E-M, jim.
Okay, sir. Jim.
Yeah, that's right. Akbar Khan. Ismail Mujahid. Rashekar Reddy.
Yeah. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, ha.
Very good. Rajesh.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Here small correction is there. It is not tha. It is ta. Ta. If you know Telugu, the first letter of ta.
Okay.
Yeah, please repeat.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Sadiq, admin. Salman.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Silar Saab.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Srikant.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. Next is Vidya Garu.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha.
Very good. With this, we complete the revision. Let's take the new lesson for today. You have any question on these 7 letters, please ask. If not, we will proceed to the new lesson, today's lesson.
Karimla sir.
Chappan. Yes, please.
Sir, if you don't mind, can you make notes like 3-4 points for each letter, like important points for each letter? We can dictate. You can dictate us so that we can now note it, because we were writing while you are
Okay.
lecturing us. So if you can take time 2-3 minutes for each letter, important points, 2-3 points about this for all the letters, like how the sound is and how it is.
Yeah, this is what I'm going to take. These letters you are the what's your name?
Number 65.
Number 65, Arthur. Okay. This is a regular practice. I give the notes and then I explain how it can be pronounced. Then I make the practice. This is a revision up to 7 letters what we learned in the previous. We make the revision till now. Now today's lesson I'm going to continue here. If you want, you can watch the video links in the group previous classes. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Today's lesson, we are going to take 4 letters. This is the 8th letter, 9th letter, 10th letter, and 11th letter. These are the 11 letters. 4 letters we are going to read it today. And with this, the total count of letters reaches to 11. So the first letter of today's lesson is Dal. Dal, in English, if you say DAAL, it is not possible, because if you say D, it may give the sound of dad, delta. It is not da, it is da, dal. If you know the Hyderabadi dal, it is something like patli dal. The sound should be the light sound. It should not be heavy. Dal. For this one, if I use D in English, it's not possible. But in Telugu, I can use the letter. I can write it in Telugu. That is like
we can say Dhanam, sir.
Dhanam. Yes, Dhanam is also correct. This is the correct word, name of this letter. Exact, it is in Telugu I can write, but in English I say if I take DAL, it means it gives something. D should be a not da, it is a da. So it's not possible to write in English. In Telugu it can be possible. Dal is the correct sound of this letter. This is a light letter and not heavy letter. The sound must be light. Dal, dal. This is the name of the letter. Its articulation point, if you see here, the tip of the tongue, it is touching backside of the front top teeth. Here it is. The same from the same point we learned before, letter ta. This the 2 dots letter ta. It's a by chance it came in the same location below this one. So ta and dal both have the same point. But ta and
Hello, sorry
dal.
to interrupt you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this meeting is.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Hello, Karimla sir. It is dal or dal, DAAL or D single AL?
Double AL.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, చెప్పండి. Yes, please.
This meeting is being recorded అని స్క్రీన్ మీద వస్తుంది సార్. దానివల్ల వెనక స్క్రీన్ కనబడట్లేదు, లెటర్ స్క్రీన్ కనబడతలేదు సరిగా.
You can press OK, man.
ఓకే ప్రెస్ చేయండి మేడం. ఓకే అని ప్రెస్ చేయండి, వెళ్ళిపోతుంది.
ఓకే వచ్చింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.
వెల్కమ్. Okay. DAAL, this is the name in English, but D, it is not da, it is a da. Dal. This is the name of the letter. The articulation point, the point from where the sound coming out, this is the tip of the tongue should touch backside of the front teeth, top teeth, where there is a this flesh started here. Here is the point to touch it. From the same articulation point we learned before, ta also have coming out from the same articulation point. So both letters are coming from the same point. Total 3 letters are there. We took it up to now 2 letters. Ta, dal. Ta, dal. Ta is above letter, 2 dots. Dal is also the same articulation point. Dal is a light letter, light sounded letter. It should not be heavy. So when we pronounce, we have to open the mouth as a smiling face. Smiling face means you have to open the mouth horizontally, not vertically. Dal. Dal is wrong. Dal is wrong. Dal is correct. This is the name of the letter, and its characteristic is a light sound. The shape is, it is coming like a some curve. The similar shape letter, it is a zal. For pronouncing zal, the tip of the tongue must touch to the bottom of the front top teeth. This is the point where we have to touch it. This point, when it is touching, from the same point we will learn another letter. It is a tha. So easy way to pronounce these 2 letters, just take out the tongue outside, then touch the teeth on the top of it. Make the tongue as a spreaded one, not a heavy one, not a bold one. It is a spreaded. Spread the tongue, then touch this teeth, the top teeth on it, then slowly pull back while saying the name of the letter. Zal, 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 tha, zal. In English I can write it. That is it's easy. I have the letters in English. That is ZAAL, zal. Almost this one gives the name of the letter. Dal, zal. This one is light letter, it's not heavy. And ra is, it depends on the sign on it. Sometimes it has to be pronounced heavy, sometimes it has to pronounce light. Like Riyadh, it is a light letter. Riyadh. Rabb, it is a heavy letter. Rahman, Rahim. In the name, when you see Rahman, the ra is heavy. Rahim, the ra is heavy. Rabb, the ra is heavy. Riyal, the ra is light. Riyadh, the ra is light. To pronounce ra, the articulation point is here. It is the location. The tongue has to touch on the roof of this mouth. Then from here, ra, ra. You see there is a small difference here in the on the top of the mouth. The last point from this point, this first part of this mouth is, from this point you have to touch it. Ra. Some repetition also comes from there, but don't go for the repetition. You have to limit it. Ra, ra. There is a, in Telugu there is another letter, that is a ra. Exactly, it is matching the same letter. In English we can write it easily. This is a letter. It is in Telugu. In English it is R-A, ra. So we have the letter to write in English. So this is a easy letter. There is no confusion. Easy to pronounce, and sometimes it is heavy, sometimes it is light. This one is za. It is za. Za also can be written in English. That is a za, za. in you can say pizza, pizza. This is a za is exactly matching with the za. The articulation point of za is the tip of the tongue, backside of this teeth, but before this flesh. This is in between the tip of the tongue, tip of the teeth and the middle of the teeth, somewhere here, somewhere middle of the teeth, before the flesh start. Za, from here there are three letters. This is the first letter from this point. But without even knowing this tip of the tongue and this articulation point, you can say easily, because English there is a letter, equivalent letter, Z-A, za. You have to be careful. It's not heavy letter, it's a light letter. Dal, zal, ra, za. Dal, zal, ra, za. Dal, the word damam, dabab, Dubai, all these start with the da. Haza, zahaba, then zalika. These letters start with the zal. Ra, riyad, riyal, rab. Some words are there with the ra. Za, zakat, zaki, zaid, zubair. These words are starting with the za. So these are the four letters we are going to learn today. The names and the articulation point and the and its characteristics, we learned it. Let us go to the writing practice. Here the letter, these four letters belongs to the same group of alif. If you remember before, when we learned alif, we have two important points. One is alif joins the letters coming or preceding to the alif in a word of two letters, three letters, four letters. If some letter is preceding alif, that means some letter is there before alif, it joins it happily, but it never joins the letter following to it in a word. If alif is the first letter or second letter or in between letter, it never allows the following letter to join it. There must be a gap between the alif and the next immediate following letter. Then it is a by default. This is the nature of the alif. Similarly, in the same category, we have today's four letters. These four letters also never allows the following letter to join it, but they happily joins the letter preceding to them. So this is same category of alif. Alif and dal, zal, ra, za. They never join. For writing, just you have to put three dots, one dot on the top, below one dot, and little bit before one dot. Just join these two. It is something like 45 degrees angle. It is 90 degrees means straight line. This one is a 45 degrees. Start from here, direct, take it as a diagonal, then forward it. This is the way it has to be written. Not from here, not like this. From top, coming to the line, then extend it to the like parallel to the line. This is the shape of the letter, and it never allows the following letter to join when it is the first letter of the word. If it is the second letter or in between third, fourth letters in the word, it allows to join the preceding letter, but it never allows to join the following letter. If it is the last letter, it allows to join the preceding letter. So dal is one of the simple, easiest way to write. Just need a two strikes only, one strike and second strike. You might have noticed one good thing here, that is, in all these four positions, it's not changing the shape. The same is static as it is. Whereas jim, ha, ha, first letter and the last letter same, looking same. And in the word, the first letter and the middle letter is the shape is different. Individual letter and the last letter is same shape, but in a word, the first letter and in the middle letter, the shape is different. Here also, ba, ta, sa, it has some changes. Something it is cut down. It is not full letter. But dal, zal, ra, za, these four letters are static. They don't change the shape in any position. Yes, Akbar Khan. You have a question?
Just Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Just I am new here to just join the. I know these letters, but I know to just writing, and I'm seeing this one just how the writing first class I missed from alif ba ta. So this I have missed. Now I'm just watching from this dal zal ra za. This writing I want to. I'm interested in writing just to learn this writing only. Sorry to disturb you for this.
No, no issue, but I told you, no, to write this dal, put one dot here, below exactly put another dot, and one dot before this one. These three dots you have to join together. From here to here, one line, then second dot to third dot is the completion of the letter. If you say A, B, C, take A to B one line, diagonal, then B to C is a horizontal line. Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome.
I'm just, this is my first day. Just
Welcome,
I'm trying to
welcome.
join, but I missed, I think, 2 class or 3 class. I don't know.
No problem. You can watch the video recording. It's there.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome. Welcome. So here the letter dal is a static. It's not changing its position. It's not changing its shape in any of the positions. Standalone, first letter, middle letter, or last letter. Similarly, dal, the difference between dal and zal, only the dot on the top. The rest everything is identical, same. The shape is same, the writing way is same. It's also static, it never changes its shape based on the position. These two are the identical letters, only the change is on the top of the letter. It has a dot. Dal is not having any dot on the letter. Second thing you have to be careful here. This curve or this line, diagonal line, should be little bit more in length compared with the ba, ta, sa. You see here, this is also, it looks like a curve, but it's a small one. Here it should be more than 2/3. If it is a 1/3, this one should be a 2/3, and it's more, it's lengthy one. So if you put small, then it may be, you will get confused that it may be dal or not. So better to anyhow, it has another point of identification, that is a one dot below, two dots above, three dots above. Here it is not having any dot, so that is another indication, another point to remember. Zal also the same thing, but it has a dot. Here also dot, here also dot. But if you put a small line here, small only a small strike, then it may you may get confused with another letter going to come, noon, with this dot. But to clarify, noon joins with the following letter. Zal never joins with the following letter. If noon is the middle letter, easily you can identify. If noon is in the last letter, the shape will be different. So that first letter and the middle letter, the to identify this gap is very important for zal. So if there is a gap, it means it is a zal. If there is no gap, then it is not the letter zal. This is the identification for dal and zal. Then here, if you see ra, these two letters are above the line. It's not going to, it's not below the line. Both letters are above the line. I will take the line for your sake. Here is the line. So if you see, the letter is completely above the line. This also completely above the line. But in case of ra, it is some part is above the line and some part is below the line. Here we can say three parts. One part is above the line, two parts are below the line. Ra also similar to dal and zal. It never allows the following letter to join. There must be a gap. It happily joins the preceding letter but never joins the following letter. The another common point between dal, zal and alif, the shape is static in all four positions. Similarly, zal also the same. It is also static in all four positions. Sometimes in Arabic people they say this letter as a zai, Z-A-I, zai. So some people say zai, some people say zal. So in both cases it is the same. Not zal, it is a za. Dal, zal, ra, za, or zai. In both cases the name is same. So this is a simple explanation for the all four letters of today's lesson. If you have any question, please let me know. If you don't have questions, we will practice it.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Like many of the times, Arabic people I came across, like, instead of dal, they used to speak out zal. I mean, like, what is the difference, or how these words are getting pronounced instead of dal? They are
The
like,
name we are studying the name of the letter. The name of letter is if you are saying about the last letter, za or zai, both are the same names of this letter. Both it has two names, commonly known as za, like pizza, that is a za, and some people say the name of the letter is zai. In both cases, it is correct. Most common name is za.
sir, let me give an example to you so that, like, better understand.
Example is
For example, no, no, let me say. For example, a name is Zamir, right? So they used to call it as Damir. Did you got me, sir? Like, my question is, actually the name is Zamir, but those people used to pronounce it as Damir. I want to know, like, why these guys are using this thing. Can you please explain?
Yes, even I encountered similar, like Riyaz. They call Riyadh.
Yeah. Dod is the 15th letter. Hopefully next week we will study about this letter, Dod. Riyadh is the pronunciation of Dod. In Urdu, they say Zad, Za. So Riyaz, they say in Urdu background people. Correct pronunciation of Dod is from the Arabic people we have to learn, because the other name of the Arabic language is Dod language. This is the one of the special letter only belongs to the Arabic Arabic alphabets, not in the other languages. It has some peculiar characteristic. So Dod is the Logatud Dod. Dod is one of the name of this Arabic language by that name from that letter. So we will learn it more about in the coming class. Saad, Dod. From that it will you can know about it.
Any few words with these letters?
Yeah. Dal, we have the some words like damam, dabab, then we have some words of dal. Zal, we have zahaba.
Karimullah bhai.
Yeah.
Karimullah bhai.
Yes.
But in the Dhammam word, we don't have the dal, right? It is not completely pronouncing dal, right? Or only maybe the first Dhammam in Dhammam, we are not seeing the dal coming, right?
Yeah, we
When
are
we are saying.
learning in this class the name of the letter. We are not giving the sound. To give the sound, we need the vowels. The vowels will be the after completion of the alphabets. We are going to the next level, that is studying the vowels. Vowels gives the sound
Okay.
a, e, u. Dal plus a, it is da. Dal plus e, it is
Okay.
di. So that will come in the next after finish this lesson. Third lesson is about the vowels. When we join letter plus vowels, then the sound comes out.
Okay, very much. Thanks.
Now we are learning only the name of the letter. Okay.
Yeah, understood.
Okay. Any other question? Okay. Let us practice, and we have few minutes more. Let me read for few minutes, then you can also try to read. So that way we will conclude today's lesson. Yes, Akbar Khan.
Yeah, sir. This one regarding this Dammam or Riyadh. Riyadh is in Urdu. This our dot. No, we will in Arabic we will read as a dot. In Urdu, it is Zwat. That's why many peoples of Indian and Pakistani and Bengali, maybe they will read and they will pronounce as a Riyaz. Even if it is in English also, we will read it is a Riyadh, but they will speak Riyaz because of the letter pronunciation in our Asian countries. Yani, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, I heard from many peoples, they will say Riyaz. But actually in Urdu, they will not say the same word as Riyadh. Dot. Dot is a Arabic word, but in our Indian Urdu, they will use Riyaz, Zwat. This is due to this they use to say Riyaz. You know, some new people also, if you ask Riyaz, they will say Riyaz. I am in Riyaz, like that. This is my little much experience with all our colleagues in our Indian colleagues and all people. This is the thing. Just I want
Yeah,
to.
you are right. The alphabets of Urdu and Arabic, almost many of the Arabic letters are there in the Urdu also. But the name is the correct. We are learning the Arabic language, so we
Yeah,
have
yeah.
to learn the Arabic language, how the people of Arabs pronounce. That's why
Yes,
we are
yes,
studying the articulation point, that is a makharij, and we are
yes.
studying the sifat, that is a characteristic of each letter.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
of the some influence of Urdu and Parsi,
yeah,
the Arabic letters in our area, it is mispronounced to some extent.
yeah.
Because
Yes,
the alphabets of Urdu is different, alphabets of Arabic is different, but the some sounds are same, but some sounds have difference. So let us concentrate on Arabic way of pronunciation. That is a pure form of Arabic language to learn it.
yes,
And
yeah.
some parts there is overlapping with the Urdu that we will discuss after while learning this Dhoni.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
welcome.
Thank you.
Let's practice the reading. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za. Is there any difficulty in saying these four letters? Dal, zal, ra, za.
No, sir. No,
No.
sir. No any difficulties.
Okay. You like to practice?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam.
Sir, actually, previous classes and today class also I missed due to some personal reasons. How can I get this class? I want to continue.
Yeah, the YouTube link is there in the group. You will get it. If you joined recently in the group, you will find it in the previous postings. Admin can help you to get it. Okay. Today's
sir.
lesson
Thank you.
also
Thank you
is
very much.
recorded and it will be posted by today night or by tomorrow morning.
Inshallah. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome.
Jazakallah.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, first name is Akbar Khan. Can you read, please? Okay.
Yes. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Very good. Rupesh.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Very good. Excellent, brother. Anand.
Yeah. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Excellent. Shahid.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Excellent. Hamza.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Excellent. Kiran Kumar.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Small correction here. It is J-E-E-M.
Zim.
Not Zim. It is Jim.
Jim.
Yeah. Thank you. Aziz.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Excellent. Naresh.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Excellent. Salim Sheikh.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Shakil Ahmed. Srinivas Rao.
Yeah. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, hal, ra, ja.
Not Ja. Z-A. Za.
Ja.
Z-double-A. Za.
Ja.
Pizza. How you say?
Yeah. Pizza.
That last part. Pizza. Za.
Ja.
Okay.
Ja.
2, 3, 2.
Okay.
Yeah. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Two corrections. This one is J-E-E-M. Jim.
Okay.
This one is Z-A-A-L. Z-A-A-L. Zal. This letter. Okay. Jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za. Okay. 236. Said Iftikhar Hussain.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Very good. Nawaz.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, wa, dal, zal, ra, za.
Very good. When you read the other letters, you have to read it like a light sound. Only ha, it has to be heavy sound. I observe here heavy sound, here observe heavy sound. So it has to be a light sound. Wasimuddin.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Very good. Yaqub Saab.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Very good. Abdul Hamid.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Alif is wrong. Alif.
Alif.
Yeah.
Sir, Alif.
Yeah. Athar Hussain.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Okay. Kartik.
Alif, ba, tha, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Very good. Next, Abdul Alim. Okay. Ramakumari garu. Ramakumari garu.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Excellent, Andy. Next is
Shall I?
yeah.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Okay. Anand, I think you already read, right?
Sir, I read already, sir.
Okay. Azmatullah.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Excellent. Faizur Rahman.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Excellent. Harish Kumar.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Excellent. Irshad.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
One correction. It's not Alif, it is Alif.
Alif. Okay.
Yeah. Then Kumari Vijay.
Wait, ఒక నిమిషం సార్.
Okay.
అలీఫ్, బా, తా, సా, జీమ్, హా, ఖా, దాల్, జాల్, రాల్, జా.
This one, Z-double-A-L, Zal. Not Jal, Z-double-A-L, Zal.
రాల్. Okay.
No, not Ral, Z. In alphabets, last letter Z. Zal.
జాల్. జాల్.
This one is Ra.
రా, జా.
Za. Yeah. Lakshmi garu.
చెప్తా.
Alif, Alif,
ఒక్క నిమిషం అమ్మా. చెప్పండి. పాప చదువుతుందా?
పాప చెప్తుందంటే.
ఓకే.
బా, తా, సా, జీమ్, ఆ, ఖా, దా, దా, జా,
దాల్,
దా,
జాల్, జాల్, Z-double-A-L, జాల్.
చెప్పు. రాల్.
వెరీ గుడ్.
రా, రా, జా, జా, Jar.
No,
Not
no.
jar, jar.
No. Z-A. Pizza. Tell pizza.
Pizza.
The last word. Za. This is za.
Za.
Very good. Lakshmi garu.
Yes, sir. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Excellent. Liaqat.
Alif. Ba. Ta. La. Jim. Ha. Kha. Dal. Zal. Ra. Za.
Very good. Rashekar Reddy garu.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, zal, dal, zal, ra, za.
Very good. Rajesh.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, ho, dal, zal, ra, ja.
Not ja. It is Z-double-A. Za.
Za, za.
Yeah. Rutvik. Okay. Salman.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
This is ha.
Yes, kha.
Very good. Vidya garu.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Excellent. If I miss anyone's name, please you can read me.
Shall I?
Yeah.
Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za.
Very good. Excellent. Anyone else? Okay. I hope with this, if you have any question, please ask. Otherwise, we will conclude the session. Yes,
just
Anand, you open the mic.
Yeah,
Sir,
just I think
a small doubt only.
Okay.
Anand sir, ఒక్క నిమిషం because
Okay,
few
okay.
people may leave. Just we will give two
Sure.
instructions. After that you can ask. First thing is, see, we agreed in the initial session, and also after few people joined little bit late, second session, third session. See, first condition is this 1 hour, whatever the 1 hour that 9 to 10. So you should be doing fully attentive to here only, okay? Because whenever sir was asking to pronunciate, few people are not responding. Today we could see at least 3 or 4 names. They either they just logged in and kept silent and doing some other work. In that case, there is nothing will be achieved, right? So this is the first condition sir has given in the first session, which everybody should follow. Then you will be able to get more. This is the first one. Second thing is, class is starting at 9 o'clock, and the link we are opening at least 20 minutes, 15 minutes before. What we would request is, everyone please join early, okay, 15-20 minutes, so that we can discuss, we can ask the questions. Even though sir comes at 9 o'clock, but we will be able today, like the way today we have practiced and sharing their experiences, whatever he or she has observed in the last 1 week. Okay, what is the problem? Other people have given some answers also. So it would be highly encouraged. You all please join at 8:40 or 8:45 whenever we we open the link, so that it will be good for everybody. These are the second. And third one is please now few people, and when the class started peak it was 41 or 42. Few people left in between. Okay, now it is 36. So that means 6 people left in between. It doesn't look like good. Okay, just leaving like that. Okay. So what we need to respect the some rules. Okay. Just think like physical class. You entered a physical class. Just you will not just leave the class just like that, right? Though it is virtual, we will let us try to follow some discipline so that it will be good actually. The more we discipline, the more we will be learn the things. Okay. So this is quite some requests so that it will be it will give a boost to our teacher also. Okay. It will give more enthusiasm in teaching. Okay. I hope these instructions are clear. Next week, next class, we try to join at 8 or 8:40 or 8:45. Okay.
Okay. Thank
Now
you.
I think people whoever want to leave, they can leave
No,
English.
just 1 minute. Anand, I
Question?
think he want to ask some question. Yeah.
Yes. Continue, Anand sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, you saying without the Hamza is the 28 letters and with Hamza 29. But here I'm counting since day 130 letters.
Yeah. These letters are together. Same letter, different shape.
Okay.
Okay.
This day
Same
one I'm
letter.
confusing. I'm thought of asking, but I'm forgetting.
No,
End of the
it's
call.
okay. Both are same letters, but it's given in different
Okay.
shapes. It can come like this or like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it,
Yes,
sir.
Shahid. You
Yeah,
open the.
Karim, sir, thank you. I just wanted to, if you can put that quiz that you put on the group, it really helps actually to people, understanding or giving the answers and understanding why somebody else gave some other answer without knowing the right answer. So I think that is very helpful. If you
I will
can
put
continue.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I will
Thank you. Thanks.
Only the thing is, I was thinking of maybe if I type in Arabic, your phone supports Arabic font also, then you can able to see it. Otherwise, I have to make the image and post in the question, and then answers I can type in English. I will see first. I will put a word in Arabic and see if everybody is able to see it. Then we can continue in the same manner. Otherwise, I will make a picture and put it in the question place, and then I will put the answers
Yes,
for.
sir. Whatever is convenient to you.
Yeah.
Already you're putting a lot of effort. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Appreciate it.
Welcome, Ravi. Welcome. Yes. Any other question?
Can we leave now, sir? I mean, like, those
Yeah.
who are done.
Yes,
Sir.
Naresh. Yeah.
Sudhir.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Admin sir, please go ahead, sir. Please go ahead.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Actually, hi all everybody. Mr. Sadiq, what he told, I think take this one as a positive, okay, and don't escape because of his words or something like this. But make yourself 1 hour for 1 week. You will benefit from this one. And teacher is since last 4 sections is giving his valuable time by sacrificing his time. He has a lot of things for his family and his kids, everything. But for our SATA request, and he's from our state, that's why he's supporting us, and respect for him also. Don't think negative way, take it positive way. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Naresh, please.
Yeah, I just want to say one suggestion. I don't know whether it's good or not. Next class, don't ask in the order, sir. Try to ask the jumble letters.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Good
That's fine.
suggestion. Good suggestion.
That's okay. Yes, Anand, you open the mic.
No, sir. No, whatever he's asking is a good question.
Yeah. Okay, then. Just I have to leave now for Telugu.
సార్ నాకు తెలిసి అందరినీ కవర్ చేసినట్టున్నారు మీరు. తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఇంకా సెపరేట్ గా తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు అనుకుంటున్నారా?
తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు లేరు సార్, ఉన్నారు కదా.
ఆహా, మొత్తం కవర్ చేసినట్టున్నారు అనిపిస్తుంది.
కవర్ చేసి
Sir,
ఇవాళ
admin,
తెలుగు
sir.
వాళ్ళు
Yes.
Thank
So
you all. Thank you so
hopeful
much,
we will meet
Parimula garu.
again
I
in
would
the
like
next
to
class.
thank you very much.
Yeah.
Appreciate your valuable effort, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome to all.
Admin, sir.
Good
సార్
night.
అడ్మిన్ గారు ఇందాక సాదిక్ గారు అన్నారు కదా, గురువు లేనిది విద్య రాణించదండి. ఆయన గురువుకి ఎవరైనా మనం రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇస్తేనే మనకు వచ్చే. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫస్ట్ లో అరబిక్ చూసి ఏం భాష బాబు ఇది, ఎట్టు చూద్దామన్నా అర్థమే కావట్లేదు అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు షాపుల దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే కనీసం ఒక 2-3 గంటలు చదివి ఓకే అమ్మయ్య మనం నేర్చుకోగలుగుతున్నామే అనిపిస్తుంది.
అంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే మామూలుగా మనం ఏంటంటే ఒక ఏజ్ లిమిట్ దాటిపోయాం కదా, ఒకళ్ళు అంటే అరే సార్ ఇలాగన్నారు, లేకపోతే ఇంకొకరు ఇంకా వేరేగా నెగిటివ్ తీసుకోవద్దని అంటున్నాను అంతే.
సార్
మాకు స్ట్రెంత్ కావాలి.
ఇప్పుడు ఆయన చెప్పినందుకు
కావాలి.
నిజంగా నాకు థ్రోట్ బాగాలేదు. నేను మామూలుగా చూస్తున్నాను, అందుకే మా పాపతో చెప్పించాను. ఆయన చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఆయనకి ఎందుకు ఇప్పుడు ఆయన చెప్పాల్సిన పని కూడా లేదు, పని కట్టుకుని స్కూల్లో పిల్లలకి చెప్పినట్టు ఆయన చెప్పిస్తుంటే
చెప్తున్నారు మనకి.
ఇప్పుడు ఆయన కృషి ఆయన చేస్తున్నారు, ఆయన మనస్ఫూర్తిగా చేస్తున్నారండి. ఇంకా అది మాత్రం మీరు చెప్పడం తప్పు కాదు అసలు. దాంట్లో ఇందాక ఆయన చెప్పింది కూడా నేను తప్పు అనుకోవడానికి కూడా లేదు. కొంచెం రండి, రెస్పెక్ట్ చెయ్యండి అని. అది మినిమం. ఇప్పుడు స్కూల్స్ ఏమో, ఇప్పుడు నాకు 44 years అండి. స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు గురువుని రెస్పెక్ట్
అందుకన్నా కొందరు ఏమనుకుంటారంటే ఇదేంట్రా బాబు చిన్నపిల్లలకి చెప్పినట్టు చెప్తున్నారు అంటే కొంచెం అలా అనుకోకుండా
అది 60 ఏళ్ళు వచ్చినా 70 ఏళ్ళు వచ్చినా ఒకటే. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఇప్పుడు చూసిన తర్వాత ఆయన చెప్తున్నప్పుడు అలీఫ్ అంటే తర్వాత అమ్మాయి ఓహో మనం ఇలా చదవచ్చురా బాబు అనిపిస్తోంది. ఈ కవి రాయడం చాలా
సిగ్గుపడకూడదు అంటున్నాను. అది థ్యాంక్ యూ
అండి.
సార్ అడ్మిన్ సార్ కొంచెం వీడియో షేర్ చేయండి సార్.
తప్పకుండా. ఇది రాత్రి లేకపోతే రేపు ఉదయం మీకు లింక్ లో వచ్చేస్తుంది. మరి
క్లాసులు సార్ 2 classes I have missed, that's why. Thank you.
ఓకే, గుడ్ నైట్ అండి అందరికి. గుడ్ నైట్.
Thank you sir. Thank you very much.
వెల్కమ్.
Thank you.